Kindly subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get regular updates. Thank you.
Good morning, children. This is second part of Photoshop CS6. The first topic is changing background and foreground color. The foreground color defines the color that you write, draw, or paint on the canvas. The current foreground color appears in the upper color selection box in Toolbox. Next, the current background color appears in the lower box. In Toolbox, you see foreground color box, default color icon, switch color icon, background color box. Now see the steps. Click on foreground and a background color selection box in a toolbox. Second step, the color picker dialog box appears. Choose the color in the color picker and then press OK. Now see working with images through activities. First activity, if you want to zoom in and zoom out. To focus on a particular region of an image, you can zoom in the image, and once your task is done, you can zoom out of it. For this, you can use zoom tool. For zoom in, you have to use Ctrl and plus key. For zoom out, you have to use Ctrl plus minus key. For fit on screen, you have to use Ctrl plus 0. Actual pixel, Ctrl plus 1. And you will also find this option in a view menu. Now see the second activity, duplicating a part of image by simple selection using a Marek tool and a moving tool. In this you can manipulate any part of the image by using rectangular Marek and elliptical Marek. Now see the steps. In the toolbox, right click on the Marek tool and select elliptical Marek tool. Second, click on the image and drag the mouse to select a piece of cloud as shown here. Third is take move tool in a toolbox and press Alt key on the keyboard. Now the fourth is keep Alt key pressed, click on the selection and move the mouse. Copy the cloud. We will move away from it. For selecting a part, you can also use a shortcut key like Shift plus Alt key. Now see the third activity, creating the duplicate balloon. In this you have to use magnetic lasso tool and move tool. To create a copy of balloon in your image, we need to select the balloon which is a irregular shape. Now see the steps. Right click on lasso tool in toolbox. Select magnetic lasso tool from pop-up. Second step, click at the top of the balloon and move downward around the outline of the balloon slowly. Third, finally you will come back around the starting point and double click to complete the selection. Fourth, take move tool in the toolbox and press Alt key on the keyboard. Fifth is keep the Alt key pressed. Click on the selected balloon and move the mouse to get the balloon copy. Activity is changing some colors in the balloon. Use of magic band tool and paint bucket tool. In this, you can change the color of balloon by few steps. First one is in toolbox, select the magic band tool and set tolerance to 32 in the option toolbar. Second, click on the top yellow colored region in the balloon. Some yellow region will be selected. Third, press the shift key, keep it pressed and do further click to increase the selection area. Fourth, in the toolbox, pick up paint bucket tool, and then fifth step is in the swatches panel, select desired color and click it in the selection. Thank you, class.